is the sign here, but then the door over here? Don't know.
just to see your smiling face, to see you rise and be a star. We know that you'll go really far. This life is short and you have just begun. So have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life.
Let mama make a wish first. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeanette. Happy birthday to you. You gonna turn them off for me? Okay, go. Hey guys, welcome back to our dysfunctional family. If you haven't already joined the family, go ahead and subscribe right now. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join in all the fun and you don't miss out on any of our videos. So I wanted to end my birthday vlog because my birthday is like the birthday month, so you're going to be seeing little snippets of my birthday stuff. But I did want to end the birthday vlog with our burp wars. So it's really a no burp challenge, but it's like a burp wars setting. So Kylie are gonna battle each other, Kasandra and Heidi are gonna battle each other, and Brandon and I are gonna battle each other. And it's kind of like, you know, like the playoffs. Whoever wins battles the next person, and like that. So hope you enjoy this video. Let's see.
Hi, Ethan. Hi, I'm Kylie.
All right, let's do it. Oh, you can't even open it. Remember, it's don't burp. You have to try not to burp. You have to try and hold it in, okay? Even if it feels like your belly's gonna explode, you have to hold it in. The first one to burp loses. Hold it. Keep chugging. Well, Kylie's not really drinking much, I could tell. She's just pretending. So, Ethan's probably going to end up burping first because Kylie's like... Ethan is chugging, look at him. I'm going to get a towel ready. What does it feel like?
I need a burp.
But you're holding it? Keep chugging, Kylie. Come on, don't be deflecting. Deflecting. Hold it. They've actually held it pretty long. Last time they didn't hold it this long.
You gotta drink.
I think I'm...
Don't do it.
Kylie's just sitting there.
Drink. Just start chugging it, dude. Just chug it.
She's like, is it just burps or is it farts too?
Just start chugging it. Just
Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. I can feel the burp through my throat.
Oh, Ethan!
That's a weak ass burp.
It was. You already lost, Ethan. Get out of here.
Hi, I'm Kasandra.
Hi.
You don't have a name? Heidi. Oh no! There we go.
All right. Remember, it's the one who doesn't burp. Let's go.
Oh my god.
I see stuff dripping, Heidi.
Let me see.
Chug, 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 chug.
Oh my god. I don't think I could hold it much longer.
You guys both have to chug. Come on. Oh!
It's not like a monster.
All right, Kasandra, you lost, girl. All right.
Oh my god.
Hi. You ready?
I don't know
Ready
who's
for
gonna win.
Yes.
Here we go.
I'm so burpy.
Don't even burp.
I'm still burping. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh, I feel it right there. I'm getting sloppy. That's right there. Go down, go down. Woo! You don't have to burp.
I should just let it out.
Oh my gosh, my stomach hurts. Ugh.
I'll just do it.
Oh shit, it left. I mean, oops.
Get some good burps.
That's it. Ooh. They were way down there. All right, good job. Oh my god, that was like, it was like putting
it down in it.
You have a little more than I do. Drank like an ounce more than I do. All right. Who's up?
Yeah, but how are you gonna measure who drinks them?
Heidi and Kylie.
Because they're gonna. If you don't drink nothing, you're not gonna feel nothing.
Oh, because hers is 1 liter?
Have Ethan or Heidi drink Ethan's.
Okay, switch.
It's the same thing.
Switch. It's the same kind.
Doesn't mean that's
Get
not
the
your...
little one. Yeah, that's still your bottle, but eat the... Oh, yeah, there you go. All right.
That way you can at least see who's drinking because... Hold on. Come here. Oh, God. Don't start being a bee.
Who wants to see my cool dance moves?
Don't start being a bee. Give me that damn bottle. Just wiping it off. You...
All right. Let's see what you guys got. Hold on, let me put this. There we go. Put it in the frame. Oh, chug, chug.
Heidi's eyeballing her.
Come on.
Oh, Kylie, that was nothing.
Oh, I'm just
kidding.
You should leave just for that.
Huh? Oh.
Keep on drinking.
You guys have to chug. Chug! Ethan, you lost.
I thought he was gonna win.
I thought so too. I thought at least he was gonna barf. Give us a little show or something, but not this
Last time.
Not this time.
I guess this time he wasn't trying too hard. Because last time he said he barked because he was trying too hard.
Well, he's got experience now. Start chugging.
Yeah, he doesn't.
He's all trying to talk to me.
If he can laugh,
What if those
you're
are-
not drinking.
What if those last are little burps? She's trying to sneak in a little. Little gas.
Heidi doesn't look like she's gonna burp. She looks like she's gonna puke.
Kylie's not even drinking.
Come on, guys, let's go. Chug, 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 chug.
Kylie, you can start drinking because you're not drinking nothing. Kylie, you gotta drink. She's not drinking it. I'm looking at her bottle. She's not drinking.
Kylie, drink. Come on, girl.
She's like,
Ooh. Oh wow. That-
Okay, so Heidi.
Ooh.
alright, redemption.
I won.
Okay. You better chug too.
Okay.
No messing around. I think I have a little less, huh?
A little less.
Okay. Here we go. Does that count as burp? Did she already lose?
I mean, she didn't burp.
Okay, keep chugging then.
Fucking nasty.
Keep chugging.
Heidi.
Sloppy. Alright. Heidi laughed.
Woohoo, Felicia.
Yes!
Oh! I thought I was gonna throw up.
I am the burp queen. I am the burp queen. Ooh.
Oh.
That one had some stank on it.
Oh.
Ooh. All right, you guys. Well, thank you for watching and putting up with our nasty shenanigans. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and comment down below what videos you want to see next. Thanks. Bye. You can stop it.